Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm just going to decorate my monthly pages for April. I found some of these images on Pinterest and I thought I would use them. As you know, April in the UK is always April showers, so that is what I'm going to focus on. I think the blue one would look better than the green. I'll just take that out of the glare. I like this blue one. There's not much of it, so I'm going to use that up. I've still got quite a bit. Yeah, I think that would look nice. And do a light blue one. Is that the only light blue one I have? That one, a bit more turquoise than anything. Oh, that one. That one's good, that baby blue. Let's put that up here, first of all. And then I want to put some of this washi here down the side here. Just to make sure I'm in view. Put that there. There we go. And then I can put one here as well on this side. I mean, I could cover up that side, but then I'm going to have to punch it again, and I can't be bothered. So that's Saturday. I'll do May. And then I have these. I think I could put one of these ones on. I did use my silhouette for these, and I was using some old sticker paper because I'm having some problems with that sticker paper that is the yellow backing, serious problems, so I've been trying to use them up as best as I can. I want to put some of this here at the bottom. There. I mean, I have been so lazy. I should have done this ages ago, but I've been using my phone for the monthly pages, and it's time for me to get back to reality. This is more like paper, this one. Real paper. This is like paper. Let's lift that up. Okay, I think I know what I want to use. Use one of these darker blues. Yes, so this sticker paper was giving me a lot of problems. So I just thought I might as well use it all up, get rid of it, so I don't have to think about using it anymore. I'm sure I've got some stickers with the rainy girl with her umbrella that I purchased off of Etsy a while ago now, but she should be in here. Or have I got her in a sticker book? There we go. Let's put one of her, shall we? Yeah, put one of her. That'd be nice. Put her up here. Yeah. And then I can put, let's just put bits of tape here. I really do like decorating, but sometimes I just run out of time. Alright, that's okay there. Let's have a look. What have we done? Okay, that was Good Friday, wasn't it? So if I put that here, put that there. Let me put it here. That's definitely going there. Friday, that was. Just, if I put them, dot them around then. April, it wasn't a busy week, busy month, but it was still a bit busy. And as I said, all my April monthlies have gone into my phone because I just didn't have time. Let me see now. That was April Fool's. Let's put that there. And then there's an umbrella there. Oh, should I put the cloud here? If I put the cloud there, and then I can put April showers here. And put another box or two there. Get those out there. Put that here. And it's another one. Another one there. Let's get that out of the way because that must be in the way. And let's put piece of washi here. Just put it in some spaces where I may not be able to fit an image. Alright, so I'll be putting that one there. Let's put another piece of washi here. Okay. I love that there. That can go there. And I don't know where she's going. I put that there. Put that cloud here. Here. April showers. And there's another doll that I didn't want. I'd rather the doll here. There's an umbrella there already. I'll put the clouds up here and then the bicycle somewhere in the middle here. And put her in the middle here. Let's just put another piece of washi here. Right. Then she can go there. Yeah, it's all about the rain and April showers and the umbrellas and the clouds with the rain. That's what it's about. I like that. Okay, I've done that one. I will not be uploading a video tomorrow for hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, seeing as it's an official bank holiday in the UK. I have got a few bits and pieces to do. I've got some errands to take care of and some bits and bobs, so there'll be no hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. All the same, I will be carrying out my chores, things to do, errands and all that good stuff, but I just won't be uploading a video tomorrow. So if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.